Hey, this is Heidie-Fernandez, your virtual assistant for today. In this video, I will show you how to fix in order to select an item from your online storage please sign in issue. This is the pop-up you're getting if you're trying to change your channel art in YouTube. So, if you are customizing your YouTube channel art, you kept on receiving this pop-up. It is asking you to log into Google account to upload and set an image, or asking you to giving you instruction in order to select an image from your online storage please sign in. This is how to fix it. Let's get started. I did an in-depth research, and I came to know that this problem is not only happening with YouTubers, it is also happening for many bloggers using Blogspot. So, if you saw the above message in your browser, that means you can't customize your channel art. This is not a major issue, but this issue can be easily fixed. I'm going to show you how to fix it easily. First, you can use incognito. Number 2, you can clear your cache. And then number 3, a little tweak in your cookies. So, go to your Chrome settings. Okay. Go at the very bottom and then click advance. We're looking for okay. Go to site settings, cookies and site data, and look for block third-party cookies. And we're going to disable it. We're done. Now let's see how it goes. Go back to your channel, and then we're going to tweak or add channel art. Now you can upload a photo from your computer. If you are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification. If you want your updates on entrepreneurship, small business strategy, social media, automation for your business, and digital marketing, and virtual assistant tutorials.